In a recent tweet, macro analyst and Real Vision CEO predicts a massive breakout for Ethereum, the native token of the Ethereum blockchain and the world's second largest cryptocurrency. In his tweet, the former fund hedge manager goes purely technical, using the Ethereum price chart and the daily to mark indicators to predict a massive breakout from the price downtrends of 2022. In another tweet, Pal gives his outlook for the US 10-year bond yields using similar technical indicators. He explains that the regression channel currently sits at 2 standard deviations above the trend like it did in 2018. Pal adds that this is a zone where the 30-year trend works again or fails. We will be examining both tweets in this video, so watch the video to the end and don't forget to smash the like button. Let's begin with Raoul Pal's exciting prediction for Ethereum. The token, much like the rest of the crypto market, has not performed according to expectations for most of the year, but Raoul Pal believes great times are ahead for the token. Listen to the macro guru's recent tweet. Ethereum is approaching the neckline of the inverted head and shoulders. Pattern needs confirming still. But daily to mark is showing a 13 and a 9 tomorrow. So breakout possibly fails on first attempt, which is pretty typical of this pattern. Usually a trend line sharp pullback into middle of wedge and then upside break. The inverted head and shoulders pattern or a head and shoulders bottom is used to predict reversals in downtrends. However, Pal also states that the breakout might not work on the first attempt. With Ethereum back to $2,971 per token after spending most of Tuesday above $3,000, we might already be seeing some part of the Real Vision's prediction playing out. In the other part of his tweet, Pal adds, but the probability that the inverse head and shoulder is valid is increased significantly by the weekly to mark 9 that is in place. It nailed the low pretty much perfectly. And Ethereum, Bitcoin looks like they're running consolidation and should move towards the top of the flag and then break out in due course. Worth watching over the next week or so. Let's see how it plays out. Raoul Pal states that the next few days will determine the direction of the token and the pair. But so far, the indicators look pretty positive for investors who have had to bear the poor performance of the past months. Other analysts are also expressing bullish sentiments for Ethereum as the team draws closer to implementing the merge of its current mainnet with the Beacon proof-of-stake system. The merge will mark the end of proof of work on the network and signify the beginning of a new era of the Ethereum network. After the merge, the team also plans to focus on various sharding solutions to improve the network's scalability issues. Vitalik Buterin, the network's creator and co-founder, recently took to his Twitter account to share his ideas for Ethereum Improvement Proposal 4844 or Proto-Dank sharding. It is a concept that aims to bring more improvements to Ethereum 2.0 sharding mechanism, essentially replacing the current Dank sharding mechanism and making the network better. Hopefully, all the transitions and improvements will usher in better price movements in the coming weeks. Before we end the video, let's quickly examine another string of tweets from the Real Vision CEO. In a tweet he published right before the Ethereum tweet, Pal talks about the 10-year yield regression channel, which he describes as the chart of truth. Pal believes the chart may be pointing at some really troubled times for the US economy. Here is the first part of his tweet. So, getting interesting for the chart of truth. We are now about 2 standard deviations above the trend, just like 2018. We are in the zone where this 30-plus year trend works again or fails. The monthly relative strength index is in the zone where reversals happen. To mark monthly 9s have caught every cycle top, and it suggests another 3 months at or above the regression channel, maybe as high as 2.5. In his follow-up tweet, he gets even more bearish. But every single time the yield curve hits 0, 10-year yields fall with 2 to 4 months wiggle room. And every time the Fed stops quantitative easing or does quantitative tightening, yields fall and the yield curve flattens. As I have been pointing out, inflation results in massive monetary tightening. It leads to a cratering economy. In yet another tweet, Pal explains that a similar situation played out in 1974 during the Arab oil embargo, which saw the ISM Manufacturing Index dropping to 30. The ISM Manufacturing Index, or the Purchasing Managers Index, is a monthly indicator of economic activities based on a survey of purchasing managers at more than 300 manufacturing firms. If it is above 50, it indicates an expansion of the manufacturing sector of the U.S. economy compared to the previous month. If it drops below 50, then it indicates a contraction of the key sector of the economy. Raoul Pal's tweets read, "This is exactly what happened in the Arab oil embargo in 1974 when the U.S. had underinvested in oil, leading to a massive supply shock. ISM hit 30. Bond yields collapsed then too. Could this time be different? Sure. But my bet is that the balance of probabilities lies with economic growth falling hard in line with the yield curve and bond yield being much lower in 12 months' time. But cycle tops takes time before we are in the zone of the next few months. The coming months are going to be critical ones for many asset classes, especially Bitcoin, which is already under a lot of scrutiny. If the crypto market manages to stay afloat, it will be the final acid test and a testament to its worth and value for investors. In the meantime, we will continue to monitor the bullish price movements.
Today's video was sponsored by Bitget. Looking to start trading cryptocurrencies, but don't know where or how to begin? Bitget Cryptocurrency Exchange is a great place to start your crypto trading journey. One of the top 5 futures exchanges on the market, Bitget is your one-stop shop for everything crypto. You can deposit, withdraw, or transfer over 200 cryptocurrency assets. Bitget features both spot and futures with competitively low fees and easy-to-follow instructions, so anyone can trade on Bitget, anytime, anywhere. One very popular feature of the cryptocurrency exchange is its copy trading feature that allows users to copy the trading strategies of experienced traders. In the little time since its launch, the copy trading feature has attracted almost 20,000 traders and over 80,000 copiers around the world. With one quick click, you can begin your copy trading journey on Bitget and earn profits like any pro. Bitget offers users many other innovative products, including the possibility of trading without converting tokens. It also has a state-of-the-art security protocol, excellent customer service, and a dedicated derivatives exchange. Plus, Bitget does not require a KYC verification process before users can enjoy all of its amazing features. Start your profitable trade today. All you need is just to copy the trades of experienced traders. Plus, when you sign up with Bitget, you get up to $153 in welcome bonus. Get started immediately by clicking the link in the description box below.
Thanks for watching the video. Remember to drop your thoughts and comments in the comment box below and give this video a thumbs up.